All right, Elizabeth and Gregory, this is the Williams floor plan. This is the largest floor plan that is offered here at the Pines at Sugar Creek. This is a true one-story floor plan. Of course, there are design options. And it does have a 2-car garage that is currently being used for the like part of the sales team. So we won't be able to go into the 2-car garage, but I just wanted to show you this one. This is the Williams Traditional. All right, I'm just gonna upload this quickly to your YouTube channel so that way you can comment underneath it. You tell me your thoughts on this particular floor plan. I'm gonna also share with you the price of this floor plan so that way you can see it as a base. They do have one that may be hitting the market on Monday. It is a corner lot, which would allow you the ability to put your pool in the backyard if you want one. But this community does have top-notch features and amenities. It has pickleball courts, it has a clubhouse, it has a pool, and then there is a lifestyle director that is here full-time in this community. So we're gonna take a peek at these other 2 floor plans also.